There's lots of reasons we don't breathe well. From restrictions brought on through the emotional network, things like anxiety and stress and depression, to a lack of regular exercise, to physical realities like asthma or COPD. In this video, I'm going to share a technique that can be helpful for everything from mild emotional distress to chronic labored breathing. It's easy, it's fast, and it can change your life. In short, it's the old PLB, pursed lip breathing, and it's our topic today on Steve White Yoga. I'm Steve, and I'm bringing you the tools and deeper practices beyond the mat to manage your health, improve your relationships, and transform your life. Take a deep breath and let's get to work. With all due respect to Oprah, I've never considered myself to be a follower. However, I do go where the wisdom takes me. Breathe, let go, and remind yourself that this very moment is the only one you know you have for sure. Amen to that. The American Institute of Stress states that pursed lip breathing is helpful in reducing stress, anxiety, and shortness of breath. And this is a technique that can be done anytime, anywhere. It's accessible, it's simple, and it works. Some of the benefits of pursed lip breathing: it elevates the rest and digest nervous system, keeps the airways open longer and decreases the work of breathing, prolongs exhalation due to slow the breathing rate, it relieves shortness of breath, and generally speaking, creates relaxation. Let's give it a try. To start, find any body position that is comfortable and in which you're not likely to fall asleep. Put away your electronics and just give me 3 minutes to breathe. You can do this while you're driving or doing the dishes or taking a walk. Anytime you feel that feeling, you know that feeling, right? It's when you have stress or anxiety, you might feel something in your temples, some tightness in your throat, in your heart, in your belly. Just start breathing with pursed lips. So to begin, take a 2-count inhale through your nose. And then purse your lips and count 4 for a gentle exhale. And repeat. In through the nose for 2. Through pursed lips, exhale 4. Be gentle. Keep going. Inhale. Exhale 4. When you're exhaling, it's like you're blowing out a candle and creating just a small amount of resistance for the out-breath. 4 more rounds. Inhale 2. Exhale 4. In through the nose. Out through the mouth. 2 more times. Gentle and full. Last time around. And then pause. Relax your breath. Notice how you feel with eyes closed. Pay attention to the feeling of your face, your hands. Maybe seek out internal sensations like your heart, or just the breath coming in and out of your body. Just notice. The pause is important because to allow the energy to settle, we need a couple of moments. We also need a couple of moments for the attention to settle. If you're feeling tight or contracted, you can repeat this for, say, another 6 rounds. When you exhale, release the air out, but never force the air out. The goal is to breathe out for longer than you breathe in. Breathe slowly, easily, and relaxed, in and out, and until you feel in more or less complete control. The count itself isn't important, but the idea is to make the exhale about twice as long as the inhale, and If you run out of breath as you're counting, then either speed up your count or count less for each inhale and each exhale. If you have a chronic breathing problem or regular anxiety, consistent practice of pursed lip breathing can help to manage and even improve these conditions over time. 10 to 20 rounds of breath, 3 to 5 times a day, can make a significant difference in your life, as well as anytime you experience the onset of symptoms. The companion technique to pursed lip breathing is called belly breathing or deep diaphragmatic breath. You can click here to find a video to find out how to do it. If you found value today, please hit the like button below. I'm Steve, this is Steve White Yoga, and for more videos on the deeper practices of yoga beyond the mat to manage your health, improve your relationships, and transform your life, punch the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on breathing.